Here it is. Got some big, thick roots. Broke. Got a little damage to this car, not much. A little damage to that tail light and the body. I hope it's not a lot of damage. And I hope it's not a lot of damage to that roof. But anyway, it about stops right here. The top of that tree is right there. So that's what that is. And then if we come down here, this is what took out the whole street. Electricity. That, all that, so this is Barrett Avenue, impassable the next morning.